Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Norton Antivirus membership. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Norton Antivirus membership, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Norton website. Sign in to your Norton account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the billing section in your account dashboard. In the billing section, find the option for Manage Subscriptions. Click on Manage Subscriptions to view your current plans. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Next to the subscription, look for the Cancel option. Click on Cancel to initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your cancellation choice. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. After completing the process, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your email to ensure the cancellation is confirmed. Keep that email for your records in case of any future issues. Once canceled, your Norton subscription will no longer renew. You can continue using Norton services until the end of your current billing cycle. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Norton Antivirus membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.